Hello everyone, Naz here from Info.Tech.Journal. This is going to be a very quick video just to show you that a free way for you to get text to voice, and especially text to voice that has a natural sounding voice on Windows 10 or Windows 11 inbuilt with Microsoft Edge. So you can just open Edge, simply finding Edge. So you have your Edge browser here. At the time of recording, Edge does not support digital book formats, EPUBs namely. So it only supports PDFs. So in order for you to get the PDF, there's a few ways for you to get the PDF on Microsoft Edge. The most simplest way is if you have your PDF ready, you can just drag your PDF to Edge and it'll open Edge. So I have a PDF ready right here, right? The option is quite easily seen. You can see on the top there's an option to read out loud. So if you read out loud.
Introduction. The basic ideas in all types of communication are that there must be three ingredients for the communication to be a.
So as you can see, or you can hear, that voice was quite robotic because that's one of those three default voices that you get even without using Edge on your Windows machine. But then if you notice, there's more options here for a natural voice. So you can scroll down and pick one of the more natural sounding voices. Let's try to find English. So let's go to English. Where is English? Let me see. English Canada, English United Kingdom, or let's say this is English United States. ARIA Online. When it's online, it means that actually they're using cloud technology to make it more natural sounding. So there's some AI reading in the background. So I've selected ARIA Online. Okay, and then here again, you can toggle the speed if you want to go faster or slower. Just click again for the options. And from there, you can actually just click on the play button again.
Be effective. First, there must be two entities, dubbed a sender and a receiver. These two must have something they need to share. Second, there must be a medium through which the share.
As you can hear, there's a very stark contrast between the more robotic default voices and the natural reading voices. So hopefully this has been a good video for you, so you can just get something inbuilt on Windows to read text to voice and a more natural sounding voice. Hopefully this helps you. This is just one of my journal entries just for me to keep track of what I know and probably help somebody out there. Salutations and thank you for watching.